welcome to this video. If you read the title, you'll know that this video is about why I decided to lock my hair. So just to get right into it, ever since I was younger, the person that inspired me the absolute most to lock my hair was Lauryn Hill, and I absolutely loved her locks when I was growing up. I mean, the natural look of it, how her roots were like grown out for the most part, and just how freeing they looked. I knew that I wanted to lock my hair eventually when I got older. And I remember just feeling like she is just so beautiful. She is just so confident. She is just so feminine. She knows who she is. And I was able to tell all of that just from her locks. And I knew I wanted to have that same kind of energy as an adult woman. But I didn't know when I was going to get to that point or how I was going to transition to becoming that woman. And I remember saying to myself, one day for sure, I am going to lock my hair because I want to embody the same kind of energy that I'm watching her embody with her hair just being so free. Oh, another reason is because I was simply tired of the maintenance that was required for having natural hair. The detangling, the LOC method, always trying to figure out what style is best to do next. Protective styling, just all of that. I eventually grew tired. And I said, with the kind of person that I am, I need a style that is easy for me to maintain. Something that I don't have to put too much thought into, but my lifestyle will be able to cater to its maintenance. So that's why I decided to do that. And I don't regret it. So then next, it was the saving money aspect. I spent so much money on protective styling, trying new products, and just anything you can think of when it comes to natural hair. Because you guys know when natural hair was becoming a major thing a few years ago, it was too many tutorials on which products you should use, which natural hair masks you should try, just all kind of things. And I fell for all of them. So I was always spending money on protective styles and products. So I just knew that I couldn't keep this up forever. Know what I mean? Okay, I think we're on point 4 of why I lock my hair. It's so much easier to manage as far as like your everyday upkeep, just doing quick styles to leave, and not even doing quick styles, moisturizing, sleeping, protecting it while it's sleeping. For me, it's much easier to manage. Like, for example, when I was natural, I had to do the LOC method all the time. And when you do the LOC method, you detangle, then you do a twist out or a braid out. And if that don't come out looking right, then you have to style it away for it to look right. And then that doesn't last every day. So you find yourself doing those steps more often than what you would want to do. Compared to having locks, it is so, it is so convenient for me to just moisturize my locks, tie it down, wake up, and I can wear it down. I can pull it up if I need to. I can style it if I want to. Like, it's more optional compared to it being certain steps being a requirement. You know where I'm coming from. So next we have spirituality, femininity, and self-awareness. Honestly, I had done a little bit of research when I was thinking about locking my hair, and I noticed how a lot of the people who had locks, especially women, they were so tapped into their femininity and they were very spiritual. They seemed to know who they were, you know, as far as like they were confident in their own being their own selves. And I admired that a lot because before I had decided to lock my hair, I struggled a lot with my spirituality, my feminine journey, just being self aware of who I am as a woman, as a person, and who I desire to be. And I know it's interesting because it's like, how does your hairstyle determine and basically encourage your spirituality and your femininity journey? Well, it's kind of hard to explain, but when I began to lock my hair, I started to become more aware of who I am, who I'm striving to be. I felt more feminine. I just felt more confident in me, like being me, and just tapping into that feminine journey and just learning different things about me as a woman. And I just felt more sensual and just very, you know, confident, even more confident in who I am. And locking my hair has definitely helped that. I guess it goes along with not really caring about what people think about you, you know, knowing that, you know, that how you look is just how you look, you know, and just being confident in that aspect. So definitely this locking my hair has helped me out with that. And I'm so glad that I decided to do it because I've grown so much in all of those aspects. So last but certainly not least, one of the reasons that I felt even more inspired to lock my hair is because of the lock community. When I was natural, I used to always, you know, look at different locked people and just look at the lock community and notice how they were so encouraging, loving, and welcoming to people who started their locks, and even very informative, you know, providing useful tips, um, sharing their lock journey with others, and just overall, just a good vibe. So, the lock community definitely played a major part in me deciding to lock my hair. And I'm very grateful for the lock community because you all definitely know how to support each other very well. And I say you all, but now we we know how to support each other. We're very encouraging to those who wants to start their locks, those who are having trouble with trusting the process. One second. I'm drinking some hot water with lemon and honey, if you were wondering. But those who, you know, are unsure of if they want to be a part of this commitment, they want to seek tips on how to stay committed to the lock journey, because in the beginning it can be a little challenging to want to continue when you see your hair go through different phases. And when I do my 2-year lock update video, you all will see how I started and how I got to where I am today. Because my locks definitely didn't look nothing like this. Like, honestly, it's a tremendous difference. And I'm very grateful that I decided to stay committed and to trust the process, because it helped me to learn how to be more grounded, um, even more patient with things, not just with my lock journey, but with things in general in life. So I hope you guys really like this video. I thought I would share with you the ways and the reasons why I decided to lock my hair and why you should consider locking yours. Now, these are just a few reasons. I mean, the list can go on and on and on, but this video is meant to inspire those who are considering to lock your hair and to encourage those who are thinking about ending their lock journey to keep going. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.